Do you have a Fleetwood Revolution? Your AC button is not turning green when you push it? Well, I may have the answer for you. It's, I would say, a simple fix, but it's a little bit more than simple. Anyway, anybody can do it. Stay tuned, watch the video. If you learn anything at the end of it, be sure and click the like button, subscribe button, and throw me a comment down there. Anyway, I appreciate your time and have a blessed day. I charged it up this morning. It was 60, and I put 60 pounds of static freon in it. It should have been enough to crank it up and make the compressor circulate. It would not circulate. The compressor wouldn't kick on. Inside the RV, this button, snowflake button that has an LED right here at the top of it that comes on when you press it in. The light wouldn't come on, so that tells me I wasn't getting power here. So I go to digging and start looking on the internet and every place and under here. So anyway, I find this on the internet that there's a 10 amp fuse somewhere in this circuit. This guy is obviously connected up to that control unit, and I pulled it apart. The fuse is good, had 12 volts on it coming in and out. As I was pulling all this out, I discovered, and actually I've already got it taken apart. You can see the fuse holder here. All of these cables were shoved into this hole. They were shoved up in here behind the blower motor. They were just wadded up in there. But right here, where this wire goes up to the blower motor, and this wire loops around to this pigtail and back up to the control board. This other end of this wire goes inside here to the temperature sensors and a relay here. Well, taped with black tape, this was right in here, 10 amp fuse, and it was wrapped up with the black tape. You couldn't even see it, but it was stuffed underneath the blower motor under here. So look for this. This is a Fleetwood 2004 Fleetwood Revolution, and it is the blue-white wire that you're looking for that supplies power to the relay and supplies power to the air conditioning switch, which in turn supplies power to the compressor. And just about, I've seen a lot of people having this problem and nobody knows how to fix it. Well, that 10 amp fuse that goes in that fuse holder right there is what causes it. And everybody on the internet that I've seen that had this problem, their compressor locked up. And whatever happens when the compressor locks up, it blows this fuse. I don't know if it grinds the compressor magnet down to where it shorts something out and blows the fuse. I don't know. But we're going to replace this fuse in this blue-white wire right here, and then we're going to crank this sucker up, and hopefully the compressor will kick on and we'll be able to charge the AC. Well, if you learned anything from this video, I would appreciate it if you'd click that like, subscribe, and throw a comment down. I appreciate you watching the video and taking the time. Now, if you want to see about how to fix your compressor that locked up, that causes the button to blow up, look up here somewhere. There'll be a link. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.